Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the inaccessible boot device error on Windows 11, quickly step by step. This error usually appears after a failed update or corrupted system files and prevents your system from booting properly. First, restart your computer and enter the advanced startup options by holding the Shift key while clicking Restart. Go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select Startup Repair to let Windows fix boot issues automatically. If that doesn't work, go back to Advanced Options and open Command Prompt, type bootrec /fixmbr and press Enter. Then type bootrec /fixboot and press Enter. After that, type bootrec /rebuildbcd and press Enter to rebuild boot configuration data. Now close the command prompt and restart your computer to check if the issue is resolved. If the error still appears, go back to Advanced Options and select Uninstall Updates. Remove the latest quality or feature updates since it may be causing the problem. You can also try System Restore to roll back your system to a previous working state. Finally, make sure your storage drivers are updated from save mode. After applying these fixes, your system should boot normally without the error. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.